Okay, we got an NSG370 is making some kind of weird noise. When you push the clutch in, the noise goes away. So they want an inspection on a tranny. Rear seal, 4x4, you have to pull the rear seal out. Just drill a small hole, get you a slide hammer with a attachment like that, just screw it in there, pop it out. Once you get that out, you got to take the snap ring off. Here's our snap ring pliers. I believe these bolts are E. This one's an E4. Let's see what these are. These are E12. In the front, we got 3 10mm bolts for the cover. On the counter shaft, I don't think you're going to be able to see this. There's another cover. You're going to drill a hole in it, pop it out also. Alright. Let's see what size this one is. It is an E18. Take that off. I'm going to take the front seal out. Take the snap ring off the input shaft. And way up in there. There we go. There, bell housing should come off. Alright, we got 30 torques to hold the bearings in. And bearings actually feel pretty decent. Yeah, let's get an extension on there. A little far down in there. Have two hold down plates in both the input and the counter shaft bearings. Alright, let's see if we can tap these out. Don't see nothing on the inside. Gear itself looks to be good. Synchronizer. Seems to be in good shape. Bearing looks fine. Take our 30 torques out for our shift forks. all slide out now. Oh, reverse outlet. You gotta take that out. .45 Torx. Yeah, let's see if there's a certain way this goes. Alright, looks like this notched end faces out. Well, she's not wanting to let go. Should just come on out. Okay, well, I'm wasting battery time. It should be coming out. I'll get it out and then we'll be back when I do that. Okay, the bearings in the back, nothing wrong with those. The counter shaft, if there's anything wrong on the counter shaft, you have to buy the whole assembly. They do not sell any parts for it, so. And there's that. The slider on the back faces this side towards the back. I don't really see anything wrong with this unit. I don't know what they were hearing, but everything is fine on this thing. If you want to start taking this apart, snap ring on the front here, you just start pulling gears off, and these are all come off from the rear. I'm not going to pull all this apart. I don't see a point in it. I don't see anything wrong with any of the teeth on here. I don't see anything wrong with the teeth on the sliders. I don't know what they were hearing, but it's apparently not coming from inside the unit. So we'll see what they want to do. They want to put a bearing seals and synchros kit in it anyway, then we'll do that. Otherwise, this will probably be a reassemble. Okay, we'll be back.